this video, we will describe how to set up and install the Poolguard model PGRM-SB2 Floating Pool and Spa Alarm. The PGRM-SB2 is NSF certified to the ASTM F2208 standard safety specification for residential pool alarms, and is also NSF 50 certified, meaning that all materials used in this pool alarm is certified to be used in a pool environment. The PGRM-SB2 can be used in in-ground pools, above-ground pools, spas, and hot tubs. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox the alarm. So inside the box, we have the remote receiver. The remote receiver will go inside your home and will sound an alarm inside the home when the pool unit sounds at the pool. This is the power supply that powers the remote receiver that goes inside your home. This is the manual pack containing the manual, the red reset sleep key, and the tether clip. And this is the actual alarm itself. Now this alarm comes with a 2-year warranty, and to fill out the warranty you just go online to poolguard.com, and you'll need the serial number right here to fill out the warranty online. Okay, this unit runs off of a 9-volt battery, and we will go ahead and install that now. There are 2 locking tabs on the front that you'll need to push toward one another. I prefer to do them one at a time, and just open the lid up to where you can get to the battery compartment. Now when I install the battery, you're going to need the red reset sleep key. The reset sleep key controls the unit and all of its functions. So when I install the 9-volt battery, the unit will sound and we'll need to put it to sleep. And I will show you that now. Battery goes in the battery holder. We lock the dome lid back. We hold the red reset sleep key up to the reset sleep area for 3 seconds, and the unit goes to sleep. Now we're ready to install the unit into our pool, but before we do that, we want to adjust our return line fittings so they don't interfere with our pool alarm. And to do that, it's easier to shut your pool pump off first before you try to adjust your return line fittings. And you want your return line fittings to be pointing straight out and down. And to do that, you can just loosen the locking ring, point the return line fitting down, and then lock the ring back, and that'll take care of that. Now we're ready to install the unit in our pool. Okay, before we can install the unit into the pool, we need to install our tether clip. And this will be located on whatever deck you have, like this. The tether clip has an open side to it, so you want to make sure the open side is facing away from the pool. And basically all you have to do is peel the back off of it and just stick it down, just like that. Now, when we install the unit in the pool, the alarm will sound. So we will need our red reset sleep key to put the unit to reset the unit. So the unit will sound. When it's in the pool, it will reset immediately. Now we want to keep the pool alarm within 5 inches of the pool wall. So we want to make sure we're within 5 inches of the pool wall when our tether string is stretched out. Yeah, we're fine there. Now all you have to do is just slide the tether string inside the clip and tie a knot in the tether string and bring it down like that. And that way you can use the same knot every time you put the unit into the pool. Now when we remove the unit from the pool, the alarm will sound and we'll need to put it to sleep. Now the unit is asleep. Now there is a way to install and remove the unit from the pool without the alarm sounding. To do that, hold the red reset sleep key up to the reset sleep area for 1 second and the alarm will chirp. Once it chirps, you have 10 seconds to set the unit down in the pool. Then you can just hook your tether string back in, and after 10 seconds the alarm will chirp, and that means it's arming your pool. Now it's arming your pool. Now if you want to remove the unit from the pool silently, just hold the red reset sleep key up to the reset sleep area. The unit will chirp. You have 5 seconds to remove the unit from the pool. Now the unit is asleep. On top of the pool unit is our on-off indicator, our green LED, which is right here. And when the unit's in the pool, the green LED will flash once approximately every 10 seconds, And when the horn sounds when the unit's in the pool, the green LED will flash rapidly. But when the alarm's out of the pool, the LED will not flash. So we're going to install the unit in the pool using the silent installation feature. So just hold the red reset sleep key up to the reset sleep area for 1 second and the alarm will chirp. Now we have 10 seconds to install the unit in the pool and attach the tether string. After 10 seconds, the alarm will chirp. And now the alarm's guarding your pool. Now let's say you're going to take the unit out of the pool. So you hold the red reset sleep key up there for 1 second and the alarm chirps. But then you decide you're not going to go swimming, so you just want to leave the unit in the pool. After 5 seconds, the alarm will chirp and it's still guarding your pool because it knows you did not take the unit out of the pool. And that works the same way if the unit is out of the pool. And I'll show you that. We will take the unit out of the pool. Now the alarm is asleep. So let's say we're going to put the unit in the pool silently, and we hold the red key up there for 1 second and the alarm chirps, but then we decide we're not going to put the alarm in the pool right now because we're not done swimming. So after 10 seconds, the alarm will chirp, and then the unit went back to sleep because it knows you didn't put it back in the pool.